Kajing kapnya ki lenti ki sengkian hagi Jaka Pynbiang bat ki Jaka long yo na kadau jong kajing dan ki Nongdie Madan bat ru kajing ot jing nam jong kini ki brio ki ba Shong yo ha Madan halor kajing bom dan ki lat kamai kadai ka mat jong kajing kran ha padang ki Pynbiang bat ha kajing yo i ya ki dor jong kajing Kylluid kini ki Jaka ha ka arpo nyo tari ukulan kot araja arpusan ki ba sap yang ha ki rensan social media kala penlong ru ya ki Pynbiang panyakran na kadau basashi sien ki la ban yo i ya kajing Kylluid kini ki Jaka kum ka khandai lat ka laj umkra bat ter kumban chupan kenmau ha kapor Christmas kapor baka yo ka he bha bat kumju ka jiwan tuat ki nong jongok kai perthai lala ban sakhi baka khandai lat kala khapnya bha bat kumju ru na ka jingbon ki nong Shong de Madan kala khata sikat dei ya ki weipat ki Dukan kum ki basong ha muda complex bat ki weide ka bakala don ka ji ujoru ha ka office trai kam jong secretary muda Hakajiyo i badan kajing kala hakini ki Jaka kalau don kajing persang ban keli yo sembut menteri rangba ka jalau ba sniaw balang dhar ubari petru i ketenat urban affairs ke ei ka ba ketenat ka don jingmon ha ka bawla penpau ba ka sarkar kan le Katkum ki kendon an ban Pynbiang Jaka ya ki Nongdie Madan.
About this hawker, everything we will do it accordingly as per law only. There is no issue in it. Simple as that. We will try to take everybody on board, but yes, if there is some complication, we will solve it together. That is not an issue. Government is doing everything as per law. Point number one. Yes, even though we are not only based as per law, we always try to take them into confidence. That is point number one. And number two, yes, it may be issue they made in like some few places, and even further. So we are ready to try to see adjust here and there.
So that relocation is not confirmed?
No, not confirm or confirm. We will see. We will see first.
Na kaliang uba sniaw bahalang ulaong ru balada ki noy alam ka senjok ki Nongdie Madan ki kwa ban pen sngau ya ki jing e ki la ban wan sakami jing e kran ban pen bet ya ki jing e jongki bat ban ben rap ban ong baki don ki Jaka ki ba ka sarkar ka ibet ban pen kenria ya ki Nongdie Madan na ka benta ka bha kamyat Katkum ka jing kwa ki Pynbiang.
Yes, we want to relocate at least few important places for the betterment of the city and for the convenience of the public. Yes, if there is any resist from their side, we will try to dialogue them properly. We will dialogue, no problem on that. We will dialogue properly with the hawker, no issue. They are most welcome if they come and meet us. There is no issue on that.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta ka Sngi
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.